Let's check out the basics of this tense. I cooked dinner. So you take the base form of the verb and add ed. Many commonly used verbs have irregular forms. I have made several videos that will help you learn them. So please check them out. Their links are in the description. For example, ate is the past tense of eat. The same spelling rules apply as to past participles, so check out that video for those. However, the irregular forms are not the same in past simple and past participle. For example, here is the verb eat. In past simple, it's ate, and in past participle, it's eaten. Also remember that the third person singular doesn't change, so it's not like in the present simple. Now let's talk about how you form the negatives of this tense. I did not cook dinner. So the auxiliary verb is do, and it's in the past tense, and the negative. The main verb is in the base form, so you don't do anything with it. So this is what it looks like. Did not, and yet the main verb's base form. Now let's talk about how you form questions. Did you cook dinner? So the auxiliary verb do is in the past tense and in the question words position. The main verb is in the base form. So it looks like did, then add the subject, and then main verb base form. Now let's talk about how we use this tense. It happened at a specific time in the past and is finished. I cooked dinner last night. So it was in the past because I cooked it, and I specified that it was last night, not any other night. Old habits. So you can use the simple present to talk about habits that you currently have, and you use the simple past to talk about habits that you used to have. She always did karaoke on Saturdays. So she doesn't do that anymore. She doesn't have karaoke on Saturdays. Maybe she got kids and she just doesn't have the time anymore. Facts about the past. So these are facts about past events. Eugene was born in 2010. So that's a fact that he was born then and it happened in the past, so it's a past fact. Elements of a story in the past. So most stories are going to be written in the past tense, and that way this is the most common tense that you use when telling a story. In the evening, I gave dinner to Laura. Then I put her to bed and read her a story. So this is a little story about an evening routine.